I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we're working on this 2016 Subaru Legacy. The battery is located right here under the hood. It's pretty easy to get to. But before we begin, we always recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. And then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Then, remove the positive protective cap and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. In cases of extreme corrosion, use a mixture of baking soda and water and pour over the corrosion to neutralize it. You may also need a cable puller tool to remove the cable from the corroded terminal. And then remove the positive battery cable from the battery's positive terminal and set it off to the side. We recommend wrapping it in a shop towel to prevent it from touching any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to remove the bolts for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need your 10mm wrench again for this. We recommend a deep well socket and extension to make the job easier. And then remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. And install your replacement battery. We are installing a high-performance Optima AGM battery. And then reinstall the battery's heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. Then reinstall the battery hold-down bracket bolts and tighten them. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the battery's positive terminal. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on the terminal or the cable clamp before doing so. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal and tighten its fastener. Apply battery terminal grease to prevent future corrosion. Finally, replace the positive protective cap. And we're done.